Hi, I'm Jackie here again. Just want to share one of the locker mode for this Blackberry Keyone. Most of the video is showing the how we want to lock the photo after we taken the photograph. This is an example I'm going to show you. So we go to these apps, look for the locker. So after that we can fingerprint or this password. So just fingerprint. We will go to see there is a DCIM. We can see the cameras. So we can go here. So can see one of the photograph is locked here. So this is one of the sample of the photograph. There is a lock. However, so most of the video we on the upload video is showing this is how the camera lock the photo only. But how we want to lock others documents like PDF, others audio, installer, videos. So this time I'm going to share how to this make this lock to others. Okay, we will go back the main. We will go to the apps. We will look for this file. Okay, press on it. So I give you an example. So just go to documents, press on documents, wait. Okay, so just one of the example on my this in my documents. So I just hold on it, press the button on above this one. Okay, press. You can see there is a lock. This is a lock. So once you press on the lock, the folder will go to the locker folder. We try now. Just press lock. Are you sure? Lock. So once it's locked, document is go to other folder. It has been locked. So we go and locate the file again. Locate this file. Press on it. Unlock. And now we go to look for the document we locked just now. We go to the documents. Yes. You see? The file is under locker folder already. So thanks and have a nice day to you all. Good night. Bye.